Hello, welcome to Soundop Tutorials. In this video, we will focus on record operations in the audio file editor. You can use the transport panel to control recording, record, pause, resume, stop. You can also use the keyboard to control recording, record, pause, resume, stop. Soundop will record from the default audio input, and you can set the default devices on the audio device preference page. Before recording, you can monitor the input level. When there is a time selection, Soundop will record in the time range. If there is no time selection, the recording will continue until stop it manually. When the pre-roll option is on, Soundop will pre-roll sometime before the recording range. Soundop has two record modes. When the overwrite mode is selected, the recorded audio will overwrite the existing audio. When the insert mode is selected, Soundop will insert the recorded audio. To schedule recording in a future time, choose Timed Record in the Transport menu. And the cursor panel will display the countdown. You can also set the options of Level Activated Record to skip silence when recording. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.